Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money over on the Amazon Associates program. Now look, this is incredibly simple, and I'll also put some earnings up on the I think it's this side. I'll put some earnings up on the screen for you because I am indeed doing this method myself, although not to a great degree, and we'll cover that in today's video. Now here's the cool thing. You don't need skills, you don't need any experience, and you definitely don't need any money to get this set up. Now, talking of the setup, it depends on how you want to go about this. You can go down the passive route, which is personally what I recommend and do myself, and I'll share that with you. And there's also another option, which we'll cover towards the end of the video, because the potential with that method is perhaps bigger than the passive method, but you are going to have to put in a little bit of time and effort. But again, it's simple, it's easy, and absolutely anybody can do this. So all I ask is, if you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. But let's jump into it and I'll show you how you can actually make money with Amazon. Okay, so we're over in the laptop, and basically I'm going to walk you through this whole method step by step. Now here's the cool thing, okay? You don't need any experience for this, you don't need money, and you don't need any skills. And if you watch this video till the end, towards the end of the video, I'll share with you an additional method that you can use to make money with this. Because look, everything I'm going to be sharing with you today, the idea for today's video came from inside of the Not Taught at School or University. Now in here we have many methods for making money online and from home. Today we are looking at Amazon affiliate marketing, and you can see here we've got lots of examples inside of the university walking you through this step by step. So if you want to check that out, I'll drop a link down below for you. But first of all, let's go ahead and have a look at Amazon and the requirements for it. Well, in fact, let me share with you some earnings first of all. So let's come over here to this one over here, to the report screen. So you can see here in the last 7 days, but let me just show you this year, because let me click on here and click on apply. So you can see this. So far this year, I've managed to earn $134 from Amazon, which isn't bad because I've literally done nothing. Like genuinely, I've done nothing for this money. This is from work I've done previously, and I'll show you that in today's video. But if I come down here, you can see this is how many clicks I've sent to Amazon, over 1,000. This is the number of items which have been ordered. This is items shipped, number of returned items, average conversion, how much that total orders was worth to Amazon, and this is how much they've paid me. So I've sent them $3,700 worth of orders, and for doing so they've sent me $134, which is pretty shocking in the grand scheme of things, isn't it? This amount of money, and this is the return. But you know, you can earn more, but obviously you can earn less. But let me show you how this works. So down here, these are the items which have been ordered in categories, okay? So if I click on earnings, this is the actual item what somebody's ordered. This is the item shipped, so someone's ordered this. This is how much it cost them to buy, and this is my income over here. So you can see there's lots of different things on here which people have been ordering, and I've been earning money for doing so, okay? Straightforward and simple, I think we can agree. So how do you become a partner with Amazon? Well, first of all, we come over here to the Amazon Affiliate Program, or the Amazon Associates, and it's a 3-step process. Step 1 is we sign up, then we recommend, and then finally we earn money. And it says on here up to 12% in commissions, but as you saw a minute ago, it's actually not. So let me come into this tab over here for you, and I will show you this. So first of all, this is the process. So you have to sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon. Now, there are a number of ways that you can do this, okay? So if we scroll down here, look, these are the options for you. Option number 1 is you need a website, okay? Content on your website must be recent, generally within the last 60 days, and it must be your own website. That's an option for you. Option number 2 is you must have a mobile app. Let's move on to more realistic options for people. Down here, we have got social networks. So we can see here, look, they accept the following social networks. Facebook. This includes open group pages and fan pages, but not your own personal page, okay? So we can do Facebook groups and pages. We could also share images over on Instagram and Twitter. We can do YouTube videos. We can even do TikTok, and more recently they've included Twitch. So that is the criteria. You need one of these platforms, and all of the questions you can find over on the Amazon Associates page. Now, if we scroll a bit further down, there's many more frequently asked questions on here, but let's look at the earnings, okay? So scroll down the page here. Now on the left, and this is the UK by the way, so obviously this will vary or change depending on the country you're from. But on the left hand side here we can see we've got Amazon Fashion, and it includes all of these different things down here. And then we can see, look, direct qualifying purchases. So you can earn up to 12%. Up to. Realistically, when you first start out, you'll be earning 10% because look, it says down here, if the orders are less than £15,000, it's 10%. But here's one of the cool things about this. You see this up here where it says indirect qualifying purchases. You can also earn an additional 1.5%. And again, it changes as you go through all of these different things down here. What does that mean? So that means you can partner up with Amazon, you get given your affiliate link for a certain product, and then basically when somebody clicks that link and they go over to Amazon and they buy the products they were interested in, or any additional items, you can earn money. So let's come back over here. So we can see over here someone's gone over and bought this flying bug. What the heck is that? Defense flying bug killer horse. Okay, so someone's gone onto Amazon using the link what I've provided to them for this, this what is that? A bug killer basically. Then whilst they're on Amazon, they've probably bought a couple of other items like this over here. Some Some wax and leather treatment for some boots. And because I've sent them over to Amazon, I'm still getting paid a commission. So it's 1.5% addition. So, you can earn some good money on this, but you do need to put in some time and effort. Now, as you can see up here, I've done nothing with this. So you might be thinking, how on earth is that possible? How can you make this money without doing anything? So I'll show you this now. Come over to this website here. It's called flykillerguide.com. So this is my website and it's in the niche of killing flies. And basically on here there's different content for, getting rid of flies. So we can see we have got fly killer reviews, so different reviews which are leading back over to Amazon. And then we've got other categories up here, okay? But what's happening here is people are going online, they're searching these things up on Google and Bing and different search engines, and they're landing on the website here. Then what happens is, once they land on the website and they're going through and reading the article, we have links out over to Amazon. So if I was to click that, it'd send me over to Amazon. If I scroll further on the page here, look, this over here, get where it says here, get it here. If I click on there now, look, it's sending the people over to Amazon. Okay? Straightforward and simple. So someone could, buy this, and then whilst they're over on Amazon, they could buy some additional products, and we can be earning money additional down here, which is the 1.5%. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, here's another thing I want to share with you. You would be incredibly surprised at the number of websites online which are Amazon affiliates. And it doesn't matter what category or niche you go into. So we'll come on here and we will say we was looking for, let's click on here and we're going to type in best camera under, let's just say 500, okay? So we're in the market for a new camera. We've got $500 or £500 and we land on here. Now look, we've got this website here. I'm just going to open it up. We'll open that one up into a new tab, okay? Let's have a look at this. Let me just click on agree and scroll down. Straight away, I can tell you now, this is an affiliate website. So what is this? What are they doing here? Well, basically they're sharing information about cameras. Look, best cameras under £500. Scroll down here, we've got the GoPro Hero. Scroll down here, look, whoa, look. View this over on Amazon and Very and GoPro UK. Guess what? These here, they're affiliate links. If I was to click this, go over, buy it, the owner of this website here, they would be earning an affiliate commission. Come further down the page, look, this product here, view it on Amazon. Come further down the page, pretty straightforward, I think we can agree. And it doesn't matter whether we're looking at cameras, whether we're looking at kids' bikes, or anything. Let's say we were looking for the best gift for a 10-year-old. 10-year-old boy or girl. I already know we're going to land on a website like this one here. Look, 10-year-old gift boys. This one here, countryliving.com. What's country living got to do with cool gifts for boys? Let's open this up. And we'll come over here and we can see, let me click on accept. Scroll down here, let's have a look. What are they doing? Where's that gone? Ah, so this is a gallery. Okay, so if I click on photos, it will take me over to the next one. But look, Apple AirPods, Amazon. Go to the next one, Amazon. This one, Amazon. This one. See, this here, they're all sending me over to Amazon. So, I'm searching online to find out some information about, products that I'm interested in buying, and I've literally got hundreds of options for this. And this is why this method works really well, because you could go ahead and create a website, and if you do the search engine optimization correctly, and structure your blog articles and the websites the way they should be, you can be earning a passive income for months and years down the line, a bit like what we have seen over on this tab over here. Over on here, I haven't done anything in the last 2 years with that website, that Fly Killer Guide website up here. I've not done anything. I've not put any new articles on here whatsoever. But yet, because I've done the work previously, I've earned a passive income. It's awesome, isn't it? Now, that's one way that you can make money with the Amazon Associates program. I'll share a final one with you, because I said to you at the beginning I'd share one with you which anyone can do, and is incredibly easy. We could go over onto Facebook. Now, I'm sure you may have seen these, on your Facebook feed. So if I come up to here, and I'm just going to type in this one here, look, huge bargains, extreme coupons, and more. You will find hundreds of these different groups, on Facebook. And basically all they're doing is they're sharing deals inside of these groups, and they're all affiliate links. So if I scroll down here, look, this one here, about £5.50, literally a minute ago, that there is an affiliate link. Come further down the page here, look, affiliate link 3 minutes ago. To be honest with you, this page here, they go a bit crazy with it, but look, affiliate link. They're all affiliate links, basically. And all they're doing is sharing all of these different products inside of the Amazon Facebook, inside of this Facebook group here. But as you can see, they're all leading over to Amazon. It's incredible. And how many people have they got in this group? A lot is the answer. They've got 100 and what? I think it was 180,000. Oh no, 114,000 members inside of this Facebook group. But look, that is how you can earn money with the Amazon Associates group. It's not difficult by any stretch of the imagination. It just, when it comes down to this method, it's what will work best for you. Do you like the idea of running a Facebook group and, sharing different images in there? Or do you like the idea of creating content that can bring you in a passive income for many months and years down the line? Personally, I know which one I would rather go with. So yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. Obviously, over in the university here, we break this method down in a lot more detail and go through all this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.